Run the diagnostic on line 3.
Readings are stable, engineer.
Pallet confirmed. Bay 4.
Copy that. Moving to Bay 4.
From our factory to your first refreshing sip, the journey is complete.
Ah, that is so refreshing.
From our luxury factory to your table, the taste of real refreshment.
The Coca-Cola system relies on local bottling partners and distribution networks to deliver finished beverages to retailers and consumers around the world. Utilizing next-generation machinery, our synchronized conveyor systems ensure flawless operation, meticulously supervised by our expert team. Through our Integradal network, we connect production, warehousing, and logistics, moving thousands of pallets with flawless synchronization.
Innovation, precision manufacturing, and premium quality ensure global beverage distribution.
We need to increase the flow on line 3. Acknowledged. Adjusting the settings now. Pallet 72 scanned and verified. Ready for loading. Confirmed. Bay 3 is clear.
The integrated supply chain operates with flawless synchronization, ensuring every Coca-Cola product reaches its destination.
Find everything you needed okay? Yes, thank you. All set for the party.
Your Coca-Cola, perfectly chilled for your enjoyment.
Absolutely perfect. Thank you. Cheers.
From refrigerated storage to your table, the perfect Coca-Cola experience.
Ah, that is refreshing.
Inventory synced? We are all set here. Perfect, thanks. Let us get a Coke. Here you go. Enjoy the game.
Thank you. Ah, that's better. We have 40 cases of the regular and 20 of the zero sugar.
Okay, bring the sugar-free right over here to the chilled section.
Experience the redefined taste of luxury. Perfectly served, just for you.
From our state-of-the-art facilities to your table, we are proud to deliver the taste of Coca-Cola to over 200 countries worldwide.
Wow, these are perfectly cold.
I know, right? Let's take these ones. Look, they have the new Coke bottles.
Grab a few for the party.
I want to scan this one, Dad.
Wow, look at that fizz! Here you go. Cheers, everyone! This looks amazing.
Look at that condensation.
It's perfectly chilled. Cheers, everyone. Cheers, everyone.
The perfect way to end the day.
Absolutely. Cheers to that.
It's so refreshing.
From the heart of the factory to your family table, the taste of premium quality, enjoyed the world over.
From precision manufacturing to global distribution, we ensure a perfectly chilled Coca-Cola is always within reach. From pristine craftsmanship to advanced engineering and global partnerships, we deliver the taste of refreshment across the world every day.